Inverted row plyometrics. For this exercise, you're gonna have your barbell set up on the rack like this. The higher the barbell is, the easier the movement is. The lower the barbell is, the harder the movement. You do want it to be at a height to where I can hang like this and my back is not touching the ground. Another way to make these easier is to bring the feet closer to you. So if it's too difficult for you to have your feet all the way out here, bring them up a little bit more, which is going to shorten the amount of load of your body that you have to hold up. Start position for these is going to be a nice little reverse plank where you're going to explosively bring your chest to the bar and then lower back down. Up. See how my hands are coming off at the top and I'm having to catch myself as I come back down. That little piece of the hands coming off the bar at the top is making me catch the bar on my way back down, which is making my body use a bunch of fast twitch muscle fibers in order to make that happen. Because if I miss the bar, guess what? Susie's going towards the mat. Again, don't be afraid to move the barbell up or your feet in to make these a little bit easier for you.